Well off. Wealthy or financially stable. She belongs to a well-off family and doesn't need to work. Despite being well off, he remains humble. Bittersweet. A mix of happiness and sadness. The memory of my childhood is bittersweet. It was bittersweet to leave my old home for a new one. Two-faced. Dishonest or deceitful, pretending to be someone else. I can't trust him. He's so two-faced. She acts nice in front of me but talks behind my back like a two-faced person. Short-tempered. Easily angered or irritated. Be careful when talking to him. He's very short-tempered. A short-tempered person needs to practice patience. Red hot. Extremely hot or highly popular. The red-hot iron can burn your skin. This song is red-hot on the charts right now. Mouthwatering. Delicious or appealing to the taste. The chef prepared a mouth-watering dish for dinner. I can't wait to eat that mouth-watering cake. Red-handed. Caught while committing a crime or wrongdoing. The thief was caught red-handed stealing money. She was caught red-handed cheating in the exam. Bigheaded. Arrogant or full of oneself. He became big-headed after winning the competition. A big-headed attitude often leads to failure. Kindhearted. Caring and compassionate. She's a kind-hearted woman who helps the poor. A kind-hearted person always spreads positivity. Coldhearted. Lacking feelings or sympathy. His cold-hearted response shocked everyone. A cold-hearted person never cares about others. Tightlipped. Not revealing any secrets or information. She remained tight-lipped about the surprise party. A tight-lipped person is trusted with secrets. Heavy-hearted. Feeling sad or depressed. She left the house heavy-hearted after saying goodbye. A heavy-hearted mood filled the room after the news. Empty-headed. Foolish or lacking intelligence. Don't listen to his empty-headed ideas. An empty-headed person rarely makes good decisions. Shorthanded. Having fewer people than needed to complete a task. The shop was short-handed during the holiday season. We're short-handed today. Can you help us?
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.